Happy Friday the 13th, everybody. It's DJ Spy Guy. I don't know why I did that voice. Watching too much Danhausen from the WWE now. Yeah, it's Friday the 13th. We're gonna get on home here. I do have a lot of groceries on this bike, which is compromised. Remember the missing spoke, so we'll see what happens. I hope I haven't brought too much weight on the back of my bike here. That's okay. I'm definitely taking it into the shop tomorrow. No, I really am. Let's see. Although they're not going to fix it tomorrow, obviously. Let's get chat going here. See what you guys are saying.
Stream online at Friday, March 13, 2026. 3 hours, 7 minutes, and 57 seconds p.m. Linux Physics said, "Hi, is Strava running?"
Yeah, and we're going 0 kilometers an hour right now. Okay, we're gonna go over the Cambie Street Bridge today, just for fun. Means we get to go through these people here, standing in the bike lane. Oh, there's a nice American robin.
Linux Physics said, "Nice dry path."
It is pretty good. Okay, now this is another dangerous little section here. I see a cyclist coming down. I better not crash into me. Okay.
Oblivious Stone said, "Happy weekend."
Yay, weekends! Hi Stone, hi Linux.
G20KBBQ said, "Hella blues."
Okay, here we go, up the bridge. Ugh. What's up, G20K Barbecue? Ooh, strong legs today. Look at nobody on my bike path. Wonderful.
Linux Physics said, "They're all at the pub drinking early." G20KBBQ said, "The scenery." Linux Physics said, "FG." Linux Physics said, "Oops, tried to run Linux foreground command in chat."
Oh, here's some water. Let's go down to the water.
Linux Physics said, they should just drill a tiny hole at that puddle.
It's funny, it's the same thing there. I wonder why it happened. I'm gonna go left here. Oh yeah, let's take the road. That's much smoother. Or let's go to the casino here. Whoa, orange car. Porsche. Oh.
Linux Physics said, ugly.
Wouldn't be my first choice of a vehicle. All right, now we got our own bike lane, which is nice. Oh, I wonder whose tour bus this is.
Linux Physics said, has more money than sense of style.
That guy we just passed was wearing a pin that said evict Ken Sim. Evict Ken Sim. I like that. Good badge. That's our mayor right now of Vancouver. Let's get into some politics. And that's it. Politics is over. Oh, it's the Finmobile. I was doing some voiceover work this afternoon, and I had to mention Finn from the Canucks. You can go meet him somewhere at the Vasaki event. Linux is right. Everybody's drinking right now at the pub. Even my work, no one was left behind. It's just gone. Everyone's gone. This is kind of eerie. Oh, I'm gonna just get this light maybe. Yeah, perfect.
Linux Physics said, usually on Friday, traffic is lighter and the buses are more crowded.
Still kind of chilly out today, but it's nice. It's not wet and soggy. Those concrete barriers they put up there in place of the so you can't put a tent up. The guys are just doing drugs off the tops of them now. Nice little table for their to do their drugs. Uh-oh. On your left here. Here comes someone on the left. What is this? Oh, big boy electric scooter. That thing is like well used. Pizza time. Everyone's enjoying pizza. Why did they salt the roads here today? That's weird. Were they just emptying out the last thing of liquid in their trucks? You think? Oh yeah, I was in the way. Whoops. I didn't know where he was going.
Linux Physics said, salting road on a sunny day is the dumbest thing.
Would you want to do Uber Eats in a fully electric bike where you just cruise around, not get any exercise? Just move your little e-bike around town? I don't know. Is this person crossing? Hi there. Look at all that ice.
Still some ice.
Yeah, happy Friday, everybody.
Linux Physics said, most Uber Eats delivery people don't care about exercise.
Oh, that's so true. Yeah, there's nobody that has a regular bicycle that's doing Uber Eats. That would be ridiculous. Ding, ding. I wonder if you can sue Lime scooters if they have a faulty bike or a faulty scooter.
Linux Physics said, they'll just tell you to pick another one.
Hey, Pure Later, your big truck. Everyone wants to go when they think it's clear, but it's not clear. Just because one wave of traffic has gone by, they think, oh, it's all ready to, I can cross now. Holy shit. Person going real fast. That was my, hey man, you're going too fast horn.
Linux Physics said, chirp.
Still salted all the way up to here. I'm sure they were just getting rid of what was in the tank.
G20KBBQ said, meet me.
Oh yeah, so I'm gonna do this Gordon Ramsay recipe for pork chops. Did I talk? No, it's got the red bell pepper. I changed it up. I thought I was gonna do an applesauce one, but no, I'm gonna do sweet and sour pepper. It's got red onion, red bell pepper, a little bit of brown sugar, red wine vinegar, olive oil, fresh thyme, fresh basil, garlic. It's so good. Salt and pepper, obviously. Did I say that? I don't know. You can find the recipe online. Just search Gordon Ramsay red peppers, pork chops. What's funny is that it brings up some other person making his recipe and not actually Gordon Ramsay doing it. But there is a video of Gordon Ramsay making it on one of his TV shows. And I've made it many times. It's so good. I'll probably have that with some grilled asparagus or oven roasted asparagus. Oven roasted is so much easier. Well, they're both easy. Want some Milwaukee tools? There you go.
Linux Physics said, that building came up fast.
I think so, yeah.
G20KBBQ said, seagulls come back.
You like the seagulls?
Linux Physics said, took about 8 to 10 months compared to this other building that took years.
What's everybody doing this weekend or even tonight? Anything fun? I'm gonna finish off the new Resident Evil video game. Almost there at the end. I think there's a couple more hours left to go. I have screamed out loud playing it. And sworn at the TV a few times.
Linux Physics said, LOL. Linux Physics said, neighbors are going to call the cops one day.
Nah, it's pretty insulated where I am. Hence the guy talking to his bike. So today I've had another TikTok song stuck in my head all day. Some Taylor Swift song. Something about Ophelia. The Ballad of Ophelia or something. It's so annoying. And then I was at Save on Foods and they were playing it in the friggin' store. And it's still in my brain right this second.
Linux Physics said, nice try. I'm not going to look it up and get it stuck in my head as well.
It's funny how these TikToks with just, you know, not even the full hook of a song can get it hooked in your brain. Super earworm. Mike, what are you doing? Thank you. Thank you for signaling. I also got a nice red wine for this weekend. It's, I think, a combination of a Malbec and some other kind of wine.
Linux Physics said, I yell out signal much appreciated.
A Merlot, a Malbec and a Merlot. I think Los Primos. Let's do the full Nanaimo experience today. Hey Crow, what's going on, Crow? Interesting, that car that had been sideswiped already, ooh, and just did a very dangerous turn left, was afraid of me turning right into my own bike lane. Bad driver alert. Can I go left here? Yes. Perfect. Now will we cause chaos on the roadway here? I think I can go. No, I'm not gonna chance it. Just go. Don't stop for me. Don't stop for me. You can stop for that pedestrian, which they're not doing.
T081609 said, hi.
Wow, how many cars went by with... 3 went right by that pedestrian with their baby. Yo, what's up? Letter underscore number. What's your favorite mathematical equation?
T081609 said, you can just call me T.
What's up, T?
T081609 said, I don't like math.
I don't like it either. You will never hear me talking about math ever again on this channel. Unless I'm talking about the price of something. It's per unit. It will just be me complaining about how expensive food is.
T081609 said, I'm from Vancouver as well.
Oh, nice. I'm just trying to avoid not getting run over by a big truck today. Welcome to the stream. Happy Friday the 13th, where people just drive backwards, it seems. Oh, Actually, we're gonna go, yeah, we're gonna go right here. How'd you find the stream? Was it just on Twitch searching?
T081609 said, I would have never imagined I'd come across a stream from someone roaming around the area I live in.
I know, isn't that weird? I might even know you in real life. That would be even weirder.
T081609 said, I just went to look for low view streams and saw that you were in Vancouver.
Oh yeah, low view all the time here. It's because I don't stream that long every day. Just my bike rides to and from work. Also, it's just a biking stream.
T081609 said, how's work?
Work was great. Kind of dead, but it's Friday, so yeah. Got out of there. Now I'm almost home, unless something crazy happens here.
T081609 said, is text-to-speech loud since you are biking?
I got a little speaker there on my bike, and it's just picking up my microphone, which is on me, on my backpack strap. It's picking it up. Ugh. But I'm happy it's turned out to be a pretty nice afternoon here. And actually I lied, we're in California with palm trees everywhere. See? No, since you know this neighborhood, you know I'm not telling you the truth. Look at all the Vancouver specials. Boom, 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 boom. 4 or 5 in a row.
Linux Physics said, don't know how those palm trees can survive in this weather.
I don't know either. I've had some cilantro living in my herb garden all year long.
T081609 said, has anyone trolled you since you have TTS?
Maybe once. And if you want to test it out, you're going to be gone. But most people are pretty nice. I don't worry too much about that. If I had like hundreds of people watching, then I would turn it off. But everybody here is pretty cool. And I've got rid of most of my bots. I've cleaned them out.
T081609 said, are you familiar with the rapper Juice WRLD?
Yeah. Oh, are you gonna troll me now? I don't think so.
T081609 said, would you like to hear a joke?
Not really.
Text-to-speech disabled.
Sorry, I had to do that. I don't know what you're gonna say next. Well, you can type it in chat. I'm just not gonna have it on the text-to-speech. What's up, Trim Live? We are at the end of the bike ride. I had to disable it just for a second here because we got a new viewer in about to tell a joke, and I don't know what the joke is about. But if you want to tell the joke, go ahead. All right, guys, thanks for watching the stream today, this all week and everything. We will do this again next time. Thanks, Linux. Thanks, Trem. Thanks, Letter T. We will be back on Monday if it's nice weather. And have a great weekend, everyone. See ya. Bye, Stone.